So Myriad Mission Day 9, and we're here at the Convention Centre for the first day of the Myriad Festival. We have been immersed in a lot of workshops, a lot of talks, a lot of focus on AI, VR, augmented reality, and also this morning we saw Eben Escott from earlier in the week, and he delivered his talk on CodeBots, and so we got a bit more of a demonstration on how that all works. It's been really cool to see that technology in action.
So we've been sitting through quite a few talks and interacting in workshops today, and it's been quite amazing to hear some insights. For me, the highlight has been the garage, which is underneath the convention centre, and there's a whole heap of stalls set up. One of the things I really loved seeing was the orange sky van set up and being able to look inside and kind of see how that works, because I have a really strong interest in their business and what they're doing, and also kind of seeing some of the VR and robots that's been down the bottom. It's been really cool to see that in action. Looking forward to tomorrow and gaining some more information and insights into entrepreneurship.